So when your hot dogs look like that, hey guys, John here with Masters of Smoke, and we're cooking with Masterbuilt today. And today, we're gonna do one of the world's most difficult recipes, which is a smoked hot dog. We're gonna get started. I'm actually going to add a little spin, pun intended, to this recipe, and I'm gonna spiral the hot dog. And how you do that is take the knife at an angle. We're gonna start from the back, from one end, from the left to the right, and I'm gonna roll the hot dog, do a half cut, and roll the hot dog and let the knife do the work. And what this does is this spirals the hot dog. So as I smoke this at 275 degrees, which is a low temperature, it's gonna allow that hot dog to get some nice smoke infused flavor, and it's gonna allow that hot dog to cook real nice and even. Let's get it done. Okay, great. So we've got all of our hot dogs spiraled. We're gonna put them on the grill. Let's go. So what I love about smoking hot dogs is I can put them on the smoker, I can go back inside, hang out with my family and friends. I don't have to stand over the grill. And they had a unique charcoal flavor to them by smoking them. Let's put them on. So I'm just saying, a normal hot dog does not look like this. I can promise you that. Taking it to a whole nother level by smoking it with them spirals. Oh my God. Hot dogs don't normally look like that. Let's go inside and eat. Let's make one. Let's see which one I want. That one. How pretty that spiral looks. You want to know the proper way to eat a hot dog, Dad?